Good morning students. So ready for maths? Okay. So लास्ट वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर 3 स्टार्ट किया था लीनियर इक्वेशन, जिसमें हमने फर्स्ट सम कर लिया था. तो टुडे वी विल गो फॉर अ सेकंड सम. सो सेकंड सम इज कंपेयरिंग द रेशियोज, जिसमें हमने रेशियोज कंपेयर करनी है. अब जैसे कि लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था कि हमारी जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होती है लीनियर इक्वेशन की, दैट इज a1x प्लस b1 एंड y प्लस c1 एंड a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2. सो जब हम इन रेशियोज को कंपेयर करेंगे तो अगर हम a1 अपॉन a2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2, अगर जब हमने a1 अपॉन a2 को b1 अपॉन b2 से कंपेयर किया और ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल नहीं आ रहे, तो दैट मीन्स इट हैज अ intersecting point. It has an intersecting point, that is one intersecting point. And if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and also equal to c1 upon c2, that means it is coincident lines. These are the coincident lines. And third one is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2, means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. This means we are having the parallel lines. Okay, so in second question we compare the ratios and we have to find out the what these equations show us: intersecting point, coincident lines or the parallel lines. Okay, so let me start. So we start. The first sum is question number 2. Sum number 1 is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Second is 3x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So this is given to us. Okay, firstly we have to find out a1, b1 and c1. a1 is equal to 5. This is b1 is equal to minus 4. c1 is equal to 8. And a2 is equal to 7. b2 is equal to 6. And c2 is equal to minus 9. Now we compare the ratio. a1 upon a2, 5 upon 7. Next is b1 upon b2, minus 4 upon 6. तो इसकी कटिंग हो जाएगी, यहाँ पे हमारे पास आ जाएगा minus 2 upon 3. And next c1 upon c2 is equal to 8 upon minus 9. Now we compare the ratio. a1 upon a2 means 5 upon 7 and b1 upon b2 minus 2 upon 3. Is these equal? No. So these are not equal. This means a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So in this sum we are having one intersecting point. Okay. Now come to the second sum. Come to the second sum. The second sum is 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. That is given. Okay. Now first we write a1 that is equal to 9, b1 equal to 3, c1 is equal to 12. Then a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to 25. Okay. Firstly we write the numbers. After that we compare the ratios. a1 upon a2 that is equal to 9 upon 18. इनकी कटिंग हो रही है तो हम इनकी कटिंग कर देंगे 1/2. a1 upon a2 is equal to 1/2. Second b1 upon b2 3 upon 6. इसकी भी कटिंग हो रही है तो इसकी भी कटिंग कर देंगे. That is also equal to 1/2. After that c1 upon c2 12 upon 24. इसकी भी कटिंग हो रही है. That is also equal to 1/2. So by comparing these ratios, these all are equal to 1/2. That means these all are equal. 1/2 is equal to 1/2 is equal to 1/2. This means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. They all are equal. So in this sum we are having a coincident lines because all are equal. So we are having a coincident lines. Okay, clear? Now we are moving to the next sum. Third sum. Now the third sum is 6x minus 3y plus 10. And the second equation is 2x minus y plus 9. Similarly, firstly, we have to write down the value of a1 that is 6, b1 that is minus 3, c1 that is 10 and a2 2, b2 minus 1, c2 9. Now we compare the ratios. a1 upon a2 6 upon 2. So we do the cutting here. 3 upon 1. Next b1 upon b2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus minus we cut and 3 upon 1 we are having. After that c1 upon c2 10 upon 9. Now by comparing the ratio we will see that 3 upon 1, A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 1. That is equal to B1 upon B2, 3 upon 1. But not equal to C1 upon C2, because C1 upon C2 is 10 upon 9. So first two ratios are equal, but third one is not equal. So in this condition, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. In this situation, we are having parallel lines. So we write here, this sum we are having parallel lines. Okay. So hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.